Good morning, first grade. I'm excited to be able to teach you in this new way, so welcome to our first digital classroom. Today we're going to be learning about a really big word called contractions. Now we have learned about contractions before, but it was all the way back in October, so some of you may not remember what contractions are. So today we're going to review. The first contraction we're going to review are the words do and not. Now, a contraction is where we take two words and we combine them together to make one new word. And when we make a contraction, we take out one or sometimes more than one letter in the second word. So this time we're going to take out the letter O in the word not. We're going to take out the O and we're going to replace it with a mark called an apostrophe. Now remember, an apostrophe is different than a comma. An apostrophe is going to be made at the top of the letters, where a comma is made at the bottom of the line. So we're going to change the word do not to the word don't. Notice when I did that, I did not change the first part of the word. So do is going to remain do over here. It's the second word that we are changing or altering. Now when we use these in a sentence, they mean the same thing. So do not. I do not know how to ride my bike without training wheels. When I replace it in a sentence with the word don't, I don't know how to ride my bike without training wheels, it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. We're just shortening it to a shorter word. Let's try it with another word. How about can not? Okay, cannot. You cannot come to school right now. Okay, we're going to change the word not. We're going to take out the O and replace it with an apostrophe. You can't come to school right now. Can't. And one more. Let's try it with the words does and not. Does not. I hope none of you are saying right now, Mrs. Peterson, this does not make sense. Okay? You would change it and you would say, this doesn't make sense. Okay? Not changing this first word here. Does is still the word does here. I'm only changing the second word. Now, there's a lot of other words we can make contractions for, but today we're really focusing on making contractions with the word not. So I'm going to show you an example of a worksheet that you're going to be doing. You're going to be doing several of these this week. It says the contraction don't. So contractions are made up with two words. We're replacing several of the letters in the second word with an apostrophe. Do not cross the street. Do not. Changed to don't cross the street. So in your assignment today, you're actually going to be underlining, it says underline the two words that make up each contraction and then write the contraction on the line. So bicycles do not have motors. So you're going to underline the two words, do not, and then on the lines you're going to write the contraction. Bicycles don't have motors. Good luck.